There is nothing with more potential than a blank canvas. I'm Susie, and welcome to the Unplug and Michael's Mindful Making Creativity Challenge. In this video, we are going to activate our creativity as I guide you in a mindfulness art practice. Give yourself the freedom to be creative and play in the present moment. A blank canvas has so much potential, just like we do. And just like meditation, you cannot do this wrong. So please pause this video and gather your favorite color paints, and we will begin when you are ready. So we're just going to take a long, slow, deep breath in through our nose and out through our mouth as we place on our gloves, and setting the intention to just allow ourselves to be open, curious, and creative. And now just being generous. Blue is a very common color, so I chose blues. Just gonna really, you can Jackson Pollock it too. And have fun. Don't be stuck. Notice how it merges together. You may even just want to stop here, but we're going to really saturate the entire canvas. Be open and curious. And you're going to breathe as we watch the paint merge with each other. And it's going to get everywhere, and that's okay. Breathing in and breathing out. Looking at your work and just appreciating it for what it is. Breathing in, breathing out. And as it slowly goes down, let's take a long, slow inhale through our nose. And just notice what we notice. Inhaling through the nose. Exhaling through the mouth, and we can turn. It's okay to even add some more color into your art. And just mindfully watching without having to do anything. This is a great practice of just being okay with what is in this moment. And it's almost as if your whole body relaxes as the paint just slowly drips down the canvas. And as the paint drips down the canvas, just relax your shoulders, relax your arms, relax your breath. And now maybe looking at it and using your imagination. What does this look like to you? What does your art look like to you? To me, mine looks like landscape. And now taking one more long, slow, deep breath in through the nose. And out through the mouth, letting go. Just letting it be. Thank you for being creative with me. I hope you enjoyed unlocking your creativity and you love your new beautiful piece of art.